Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Guys, don't skip those ads. Don't skip those ads, please. I beg. Just watch the ads, subscribe, and then like this video. Hey guys, I've been thinking, like, have you guys ever wondered how this girl is unemployed? This girl is not working, no side hustle, no business. And then all of a sudden, they come back with the BBL, they come back with a new house. Somebody recently bought a house, but I don't want to mention names. And then they come back with, they always come back with new things. And then we are sitting there wondering, how do these girls make their money? I also want to make some money, like Mabas plug. So here, guys, we recently discovered that this person in the picture is Owandin Ndlovu, who I'm not sure if she is still doing hookups, but she was doing hookups and stuff, and she was open about it. She didn't hide anything. Utwakesana girl is stuck in Nigeria because she owes the Nigerians money, right? And we just see on social media she is laying, she is, she bought a new body, BBL, flat stomach. She did also something to her nosy. Who's living a lavish life. Somebody is stuck in Nigeria wanting to come back, but she can't because she owes those Nigerians the BBL that she got. The BBL was paid for by the Nigerians, so now she owes the Nigerians money for that BBL. So she needs to strip there until imali yabo ize ihlangane, guys. And there are a lot of slay queens up in South Africa who are just vanishing and then coming back to post on social media. But I'm not saying all of them, guys. Some of them are influencers, so I'm just guessing maybe they make the money from influencing or other things. But it's shocking. It's shocking. Are we really that obsessed with BBLs? You would just go to a different country and just take this deal. You know what? We are loaning you this money for this BBL. Now you want to come back. You have to strip even if you don't want to strip because you owe these people money. And I'm sure maybe it's not stripping only. I'm sure it's not stripping only. So guys, kuningi, like, are we really that obsessed? Because there's this other girl who bought a house. Girl went to Dubai, and you guys know her. If you know, you know. Girl she went to Dubai, and the next thing she comes back and buys a new house. What's happening there in Dubai? Ninza and Lapa Dubai. Like, hey, kuningi, guys, kuningi, I kuningi sham. But anyway, it's none of my business, guys. People have to do what they have to do to survive, People have to do what they have to do to survive. Times are tough. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.